Road safety pledge every Tuesday. Road is a symbol of civilization. Travel is a sign of progress. For us, heights of the technological age, travel is an essential necessity. It is our duty to follow the traffic rules, respect the traffic police, and use vehicles with discretion. So, I state that I will cross the road only at zebra crossings and get on and off only when the bus stops. Life is very precious. I understand that driving vehicles without helmet and seat belt at excessive speed, recklessly and without awareness is a danger, and one who commits an irreparable mistake. I will promote that driving under the age without license, talking on cell phone, and driving under the influence of drugs destroys lives. I solemnly swear that the roads should shine with shade trees and not be stained with bloodstains. Thank you.